Hey guys, Trey from Rugged Suppressors at the Precision Rifle Expo. Here talking about all of our suppressors. First we have the Oculus 22. It's our modular 22 cam. You can shorten it by taking the adapt module off, taking your end cap out, and running it into the main body. The Oculus is made out of 17.4 stainless steel bar stock, and our baffles index inside the body. That click means that you've got no point of impact shift after you clean your cam. This is rated, belt-fed rated for 22, full auto rated for 5.7, and your common Magnum rimfire rounds. Our newest addition is the Obsidian 9. Again, it's modular. Aluminum tube, 17.4 stainless mount, gives us the best chance of salvaging it should anything go wrong. Again, 17.4 stainless baffles. They're clipped together so that you can put them in the ultrasonic cleaner and not worry about the carbon building up inside the tube and making it hard to remove. Up next is the Obsidian 45. It's our 45 suppressor. You can do anything up to 458 SOCOM, 450 Bushmaster with certain barrel length restrictions. The same click apart baffles. And we have 3 lugs available for these, pistons of all sorts of different pitches, fixed mounts, etc. Our newest rifle cam would be the Micro 30. This goes from 6.5 inches down to 5. It's rated all the way up to 300 Remington Ultra Mag. No barrel length restrictions, anything from 223 on up, as long as it fits. The only non-modular can we have, the Razor 762. It uses our proprietary dual taper locking system, like all of our other rifle cans. Same caliber ratings, materials, and durability as the Micro and the Surge. This is our flagship, the Surge. It goes from 9 inches down to 7.5 inches. With Stellite baffles like all the other rifle cans and uses the same mounting techniques. All of our suppressors are accuracy tested before they leave our facility. And they're belt fed rated, so you have the best of both worlds. All of our suppressors are covered by our unconditional lifetime warranty. As long as you can give us your suppressor, we'll fix it at no cost to you, no matter whose fault it is or what happens. For more information, you can find us at www.ruggedsuppressors.com.
So this is a short barrel 300 Blackout shooting subsonics. This is accurate ordnance action with roughly a 12-inch barrel, shooting the Rugged Suppressors Razor 762. So first I'm going to take a couple shots at 100, and then we're going to see what it does a little further out. That's 100, nice and comfortable, quiet, very low recoil. I mean, I barely feel it. So let's see what it does out at 270.
What do you have here?
Everything.
Everything you said?
Almost. We would have had the 240, but there's nowhere to stick.
I think I just rang 270.
It's actually in there. So, got 308, 22, 45, 300 black, and 5.6. So, whatever you guys want to try out.
Okay, hit.
Impact.
All right.
Round center engine?
Yeah,
One
whatever you
more.
want to shoot. We brought plenty of rounds for everyone's size.
Top on it?
Yeah.
Super, appreciate it.
Hit.
Nice. 5 for 5.
I think that's probably been our most popular just because you don't really see it.
Very cool little package.
Too often.
Be an awesome brush hunter.
It's
Or
black.
just a shooter. I like this one a lot. Okay, so this is a Volkortsen Ruger 1022. I'm shooting the Rugged Suppressors Oculus 22. This is rimfire. It's rated for 22 long rifle, the standard Magnum rimfire, 17 HMR, 22 Magnum. It's also rated all the way up to full auto 5.7 by 28. I'm shooting it in the short configuration. We also have a slightly longer configuration here. It helps with a little more suppression and reduce the first round pop, especially on the handguns. But let's load this thing up and see how we like it.
Yeah, it's pretty fun. It's like the ultimate like urban sniper platform.
Yeah, right?
It's 300 black.
So it's the same casing as the 5.56, but it's just next to the 30 caliber. So the same bullet as that first gun I shot, but tiny case.
So it's a lot of power.
It's got some really good power.
All right, back with the Rugged Oculus 22, 100 yard. Let's see what happens.
Are you looking to do a lot of moving or?
Well, yeah, y'all have the heavy one, makes it quieter, and then you got
This thing is silly quiet, super easy, no recoil, of course it's a 22, but even in the short configuration here, this is an all-day shooter, nice and light. Really like this one. This gun is just silly fun to shoot. Really tempted to go and pick one up for myself. So I'm told the MSRP on this is $499 with street price maybe running around $400. Could be a little on the high end of the rimfire cans, but super smooth experience on this one. H&K USP 45 Tactical. I'm shooting the Rugged Suppressors Obsidian 45 ACP. See what it does. So impressions, if you were going to shoot this all day, definitely want to be wearing hearing protection, but if you had to pick up this gun and use it for any reason, no hesitation on this, absolutely comfortable to shoot this magazine through it, would not be concerned for my hearing one bit. Nice and smooth. Like any suppressor, it does hang off the muzzle a little bit, but I'm really not fighting with it to hold the muzzle up against the weight. So overall, good first impression on this one.